So on this video I'm going to be changing the shock absorber mounts and the bearings that go inside as well, both sides. This one has totally had it, the other one was just as bad. They are not supposed to stick up this high. Okay, so all you have to do is attach the cables, and there on this side, the other side has got a brake sensor cable somewhere around here, and then all I did was undid the drop link down here, and I think you probably could undo the steering one, but I got away without doing that. So the case of the pinch bolt, which is an 18mm, there's a nut and obviously the bolt head, so 80mm both sides. And when you've taken all that off, then it's a case of put a bit of wood on here, bang it with a hammer, and it'll drop off. So this is a 22mm swan neck spanner and an Allen key. And the strut is free then, ready for the compressing and changing the bearing and the rubber. So this is the before, and obviously you're going to notice the gap change on the cup. There you can see the gap has gone now. So as they were, they did upset the handling, and if you take them off and compare them to the new one, you will see that the new one sits taller. So they obviously get squashed, and then they're not as effective at absorbing the bumps in the road and whatever else. So if you like the video, please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.